Remove community guidelines violation on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to contact TikTok support to appeal a violation. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the TikTok homepage where you can see your feed. Following that, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. Moving forward, tap on Settings and Privacy from the options. Afterwards, scroll down to the Support and About section. In addition to that, tap on Help Center to access TikTok support options. Once you are here, scroll down to the end of the list. Subsequently, tap on Submit a Report to start a conversation with TikTok support. Moreover, this will open a chat window where you can send a message directly to TikTok support regarding any issue you face. Afterwards, go to the text bar at the bottom and type in your problem clearly. Then, for example, ask for help on how to remove community guidelines violation and explain your situation. Within your message, provide details about the violation notice you received and why you believe it was a mistake. Alternatively, you can also mention any context that might help them understand your appeal. Once you've written your message, tap on the Send button and wait for their response. And that's it. If this Community Guidelines Appeal Guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe for more TikTok troubleshooting tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.